Hello, thanks for watching a new PAPERWERKS video. I guess I want to first start with a couple of announcements. Make sure you like the video, leave comments on how you like the video, and subscribe to the channel. The reason, or one of the reasons why we ask that is so that people who need the information, YouTube will circulate it. The other reason, I should say, is we do a pulling, a drawing once a month where we'll give a person a free trade line. We'll give away a free credit repair, and then also a free funding package where we'll help assist up to $100,000 in funding. The other thing with this particular video, we're going to talk about student loans and federal and state tax liens, which this particular person has. I want to note this person is in the 500s, high 500s as far as score. And the date on this one is June 2017. This particular client came to us in September of 2017, and they have been working on their report. So I want to go to that 3 bureaus so you can see what their report looked like when we started. So as you can see, the person had a couple of public records, which consisted of the state and federal tax lien. They had a few negative accounts, which one of them was a student loan, and then they had a few collections. So we'll start with the public records. As you can see, I had a couple of federal tax liens. One as recent as 2016 for $26,000, and then one of the public records showed up on Experian. So not all the time do they show up on every bureau, but as you can see, this person had well over $30,000 in tax liens showing on their report. Then we have the collections, a couple of collections, not large ones, but collections nonetheless that would stop them from getting approved. And now the negative accounts. And I kind of want to focus on this. A lot of people have problems with student loans, so as you can see, they had it reporting. It's reporting every month. They owed $36.44, and then for some reason, and I think a lot of people have this issue where they have the same account, same dollar figure, but it's reporting with a different account number. So that can be an issue too. So I'm going to jump over to November. Like I said, we started on this guy around the middle of September. So here is the new report. As you can see, that's November of 2017. And so you can see the jump in credit score. So here we're still at 565 because there's a student loan. We'll get to that in a second. It hasn't been removed. But here we're at 794, and here we're at 737. So with these particular scores, what people have to understand, you know, they might say, well, my entire report isn't clean. Well, these days, most lenders are going to base approval off of one of the bureaus, sometimes two, but primarily one of the bureaus. So with this particular guy, he hasn't added any trade lines yet. And if you are not familiar with trade lines or need more information, we have a couple of videos dealing with trade lines, so you can click the PAPERWERKS right there on the video, and it'll take you to all the videos for PAPERWERKS, and so you can take a look at that and how that can affect you. But in any case, this particular person, if we added a couple of trade lines, which this person is well into their 40s, so they would probably need 2 or 3 trade lines. This score obviously would be in the 800s. This one would probably be close to 790, and even this report will go up, even with the student loan still there, 100 to 120 points. So also, when you get your approvals with your new accounts, that's going to increase the score also, so that you can stay in the 700s or 800s because you have your own accounts. When I say accounts, meaning revolving. Revolving is the way that you stay with a high credit score. So here you can see there's no public records. The negative accounts, we talked about the student loan, but here it's gone. The collections are gone. So that you know it's the same report or same guy. Here's the student loan again, that's still remaining the 3644. So with this particular client, they entered into a program where they pay for 9 months, and so it's, if they pay on time, this is supposed to be removed and the negatives removed, but we're still going to remove that account. So again, you saw the score go from the 500s on 2 of the bureaus, and we went all the way back to, or well, not back, but to 700 plus scores, one almost at 800. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to say again, please like the video. We have a host of other videos, so if you like this one, go check out the other ones. Just hit the PAPERWERKS name and it'll take you to all the videos where we done all types of negatives: child support, foreclosure, bankruptcy, you name it. So give us a call, 773-373-9184 if you need some help. Have a good day.